Hey, welcome guys. So today we'll see that how to search an element in an array. So basically, generally people ask that find the index where this element contains, right? For example, we have this array 12, 34, 45, 6 and 13. So we have 5 element here and I want to get the index of 34. So basically it should give me the value 1 because the index of 34 is 1. And suppose if it asks you 6, so you should give 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? And if you give any value which doesn't exist in the array, so in this case it should give the print value doesn't exist in the array, right? So basically when you have the simple array, so the complexity of it is big of n. How? So what I'm doing basically, first this is my array which I have defined. Now I'm calling this function. So basically this is my class object. So now I'm calling, I have created a function search index where I'm passing the array and the value which I want to retrieve, right? So go in search index, and here first it will check that if your length is if your array length is 0, then return -1, right? Then it means there is no element in the array. But if it is not 0, then start from the I equals to 0 and then till a dot length, and whenever you find ai equals to value, then simply return the index. So that will be your index. And if you don't find any value, then simply return the -1. So basically whenever you return the -1, it means the value doesn't exist in array, else you simply print the value, right? So this is a brute force approach, we can say, because one by one, let's say if we have the 5 element, so in worst case we need to traverse the array by 5 times, right? So we are traversing the array of big of n time. So that is why the complexity of big of n. And in a way you can say that we have a better approach which we'll see next tutorial, that where we'll have the binary search. So in binary search, if you have the sorted array, then you can search an element in log n ways or big of log n. So that we'll see in next tutorial. First let's focus on this one. So this is my search index, or how to search an element in array, right? So let's say this is 34. So if you run the program, so it will give me index 1. Now if you give, let's say 12, and if you run the program again, so this will give me 0. So now let's say if you give 11, which doesn't exist in array, and if you run the program, so it will give you value doesn't exist in array, because it will return from here. It won't find the value here, so it won't return I, and then at the last it will return -1. And when you return -1, so it will print value doesn't exist in array, right? So this is the basic way of searching an element in an array, right? So thanks friends for watching the video, and in next tutorial we'll see binary search in array. Okay, so thanks, and please like and subscribe the channel if you have liked the videos. Thanks for watching.